Hello kids, welcome to the class. Now let's check the topic proportion. Proportion means what? Proportion means you can simply say equal. Okay? Proportion is nothing but equal. Now what is equal over here? See, we are talking about the term ratio and proportion, right? So here proportion is with which term? Ratio. That means over here you are going to find whether the two given ratios are equal or not. Okay, you will be given two ratios. Okay, and you have to find whether these two ratios are equal or not. Now here there is a sign for proportion, which is you will either use this equal to sign or you will use this four dots. If you see this four dots, that means it is the given two ratios are equal. So over here I'll take a simple question so that you will understand the meaning of the term proportion. Okay, so over here the first question is 15 is to 45. You have to find whether it is proportional to 40 is to 120. Okay, these are the two ratios given to you. You have to find whether these two given ratios are in proportion or not. Now what you have to do? As I explained you earlier in the ratios, I have told you when you are given this ratio, convert it into the fraction. So it will be 15 upon 45. And over here 40 is to 120 means 40 upon 120. Okay, now you have to convert this into the simplest form. Both 15 and 45 goes in the table of 15, right? So when you divide them, you get answer as 1 upon 3. Okay, and over here you cannot simplify it more. Okay, so you will go to the next ratio, or let's say the fraction. So over here you see 40 upon 120. So 0, 0 cancels and both 4 and 12 goes in 4's table. So divided by 4, divided by 4. When you divide, you get answer as 1 upon 3. So now what you observe, both are having 1 upon 3 as its simplest form. Okay, so what do you say over here? You will say that 15 is to 45 is proportional to 40 is to 120. And if you have to write it in words, you will write it as 15, 45, 40, 120 are in proportion. Okay, so this is how you solve the sums of proportion. I'll take one more question. This question you can try to solve with me. 21 is to 6 and 35 is to 10. First step, 21 is to 6, you convert it into fraction. So it will be 21 upon 6. And 35 is to 10, you convert it into fraction, 35 upon 10. Now 21 and 6 both goes in the table of 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3. Answer will be 7 upon 2. You got this fraction in simplest form. Now divide this. Both 35 and 10 goes in 5's table. So divided by 5, divided by 5 gives you 7 upon 2. What do you observe here? Again, both are having same simplest form. So what you will write is 21 is to 6 is proportional to 35 is to 10, or you can say 21, 6, 35 and 10 are in proportion. So I hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.